we have our Lucas number. Candidate number 6. Tama? Alright. Next we have our candidate number 3 from the country of Egypt. Candidate number 23. Brother, candidate number 23. And sa advisors of the Saudi, nagbilang yung side, Dura. Tessie Matisa, pindi ka, message. Special award from Nestle Bear Brand, Busog-Lusog, and Mug from Safari, given to Precious Twinkle Radar. Okay, napala yung message niya. Same citation. Thank you. Busog-Lusog number 2 and Busog-Lusog number 3 equals Busog-Lusog number 4 advisor. Okay, picture. Mana ang picture, ma'am?
Wala.
Ay, number 3. Okay, mga ito ta picture. Mamaya na. Pa-picture sa takay. Sa isa katuloy kay Sir Bet lang ginani. Okay. Smile kay wala pa naman ng judge o judge. Judge o judge. Ako ka na. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, thanks so much, kids, as well as to the very supportive parents. And now, let's move on to our pinaka-ate sa atong category A. Atong we have the test. Okay, our candidate number 3 from Hawaii. Okay. Okay, next is our candidate number 22, Shita Ariana. We have candidate number 13 from Colombia. Next is our candidate number 19 from Japan. Smile naman dyan, candidate number 1. Atong tawagon ang atong female category top 6. Okay, kung may nasa top 10, palulong na ka sa top 6. 13! Candidate number 13.